Welcome back to another travel destination. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Atlanta, Georgia. So Atlanta is the capital of Georgia. It played an important role in the civil rights movement. Okay. If you like sports team, Atlanta has 6 professional sports teams. They have the Atlanta Braves, the Atlanta United, the Atlanta Falcons, the Atlanta Hawks, the Atlanta Dream, and the Atlanta Thrashers, which is a hockey team. So sit back and we're going to talk about Atlanta here. Okay, here are some interesting facts about Atlanta. Atlanta has the world's busiest airport. If you ever been to Atlanta's airport just for a connecting flight, you already know that airport is huge, big, and busy. So Atlanta has the busiest airport in the world. Coca-Cola was invented in Atlanta. So I love Coca-Cola. Okay, and it was invented in Atlanta. Okay, Atlanta is the 3rd in the nation for film production. So if you're looking to be an actor or get into journalism or anything in the media, Atlanta might be a good city for you to visit or move to. It's the unofficial headquarters of hip hop. It's the headquarters of CNN. It has a bustling and booming economy. Atlanta is great for shopping and eating. And there are over 55 streets named Peachtree. Since Atlanta is known for its shopping, let's go over some great places to shop in Atlanta. We have Phipps Plaza, Lenox Square, shops around Lenox, the Cumberland Mall, Buckhead Village District, Edgewood Retail District, Midtown Promenade, Westside Provision District, Atlanta Station, Midtown Place, the Beehive, and the Best of Atlanta. So those are some good places to shop in Atlanta, because Atlanta is a great place to shop. And since I love to eat, let's talk about some of the great places you can eat in Atlanta. You have STK Steakhouse, Poor Calvin's, Bones Restaurant, Nikolai's Roof, South City Kitchen Midtown, The Capitol Grill. That's one of my favorites, The Capitol Grill. They have one here where I live. We have Lazy Betty. Again, the South City Kitchen in Buckhead. The Optimist, Miller Union, Canoe, Blue Ridge Grill, and Little Bear. So overall, Atlanta is a very good city to visit, either for vacation or possibly relocation. They have a great nightlife. They have a great public transportation system. So overall, it's a great place to visit. Be sure when you go to bring your camera, bring proper ID, maybe have some extra spending money. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more travel destination. I'm Maurice with Studio G. Have a great day.